Prices start at rupees 16.85 lakh ex-showroom. That behind me is the new 2026 Mahindra Thar ROXX Star Edition, and here is a quick detailed walk around video. First, have a look at this new color scheme. Now this is a new shade. Now they call it yellow, you can call it gold, whatever you would like, but this is exclusive to the Thar ROXX Star Edition. This color is not available on the standard variants of the Mahindra Thar ROXX. Of course, you also have three other color options: red, white and black on this ROXX Star Edition, but those three colors have already been on sale with the Thar ROXX. Now let's start with the features that you get. Firstly, you have the diesel and petrol, both engine options available with this Thar ROXX Star. The diesel comes with manual as well as automatic, but the petrol is only available in automatic trim. Starting with the front profile, you will notice that the grille is now different. This is a new grille, Mahindra says, and as you can notice, it is in a gloss black applique. So it does differentiate itself, and I'm sure that you will be able to retrofit this black grille, if you like it, on the other variants of the Thar ROXX. So if you want a contrasting look at the front, this is how your car will look like, and I'm sure that it won't be a difficult fix should you wish to buy this as an accessory and fit it on your existing Thar ROXX. Then you have the same LED headlamp and fog lamp setup, the same LED DRL, the turn indicators, and this is your fog lamp. Apart from that, the front profile, it remains the same. There is no other change. But for this application, for this kind of a product, for such a lifestyle SUV, you might have not seen this color scheme here in the Indian mass market. After that, when you move to the side profile, you will notice you get these blacked out alloy wheels. Now the brake calipers do not have any contrast color, so just a gloss black alloy wheel. You have the side step, of course, and even the rear wheel, no contrasting brake caliper, the same gloss black alloy wheel with the Twin Peaks Mahindra logo. But then what's special on the side profile here is this Star Edition branding next to the rear door opening handle and in front of the rear quarter glass. So this is how it looks like, this Star EDN, Star Edition branding. This is your quarter glass, which we are already familiar with, and this is how the paint mingles with that black applique towards the rear end. So this is how the vehicle looks like from the side profile. Just a quick wide angle view. So this is the side profile. Let me show the side profile from the other side, from the bright sun, so you understand how this color is going to look like out in the day. So a rather bright color, and it does stand out, doesn't it? It does shout out that this is the new special edition. The same Thar ROXX branding on the side profile, Thar branding on the mirror, 360-degree camera, but on the windscreen you will notice you do not have the setup for ADAS, so no additional camera for ADAS and no applique at the front anywhere, because there is no ADAS that is available with this edition of the Mahindra Thar ROXX. But then you do have the dual pane panoramic sunroof. You do have this dual tone paint scheme, so the roof section is blacked out, typical of the other variants of the Thar ROXX. So this is how it looks, the top hat on this rather bright color scheme. The same LED tail lamp. Here is a good look at the illumination, C-shaped LED tail lamp. The spare wheel also in gloss black, and you also have the reversing camera over here, and here is a dead center view of the rear profile of this SUV, and this is the ground clearance that you get. Here is a close-up of that. So on the outside, not much has changed, but definitely a product, a special edition, which you can easily distinguish, not because of this Star Edition branding, but because of this new color scheme that you get on the outside. So do you like this color? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. But now let's get inside. Now inside, more or less things remain the same. So the feature set has not, reduced by a huge margin. You get the same leather wrapped steering wheel with all the controls that are necessary. The speedometer cluster is the same unit, full digital color display unit. Very nice and very easy to consume the information shown to you. You have the same touchscreen infotainment, and you do get 360-degree camera support over here. So that also is going to be very, very useful. The same automatic climate control panel, and then you do get ventilated seats. So that also is a feature that has not been reduced. The top hat on the dashboard, you will notice that you have black appliques along with some contrast stitching. So here is a close-up look of that, and this, by the way, is soft touch material. You do get drive modes which you can activate from here, and then these are the drive modes: zip, zoom, snow, mud and sand. Here is a look at the central tunnel console. This is the automatic variant. You do have a storage bin over here. You have 2 cup holders, and below this armrest also you have a storage bin. So very useful. And this armrest, you can slide it forward and backward, so that also is very practical. Just have a look at the door trims. So you do have contrasting colors over here, and this is going to be very easy to maintain, this color scheme, in this Mahindra Thar ROXX Star Edition. And this is different as an interior cabin compared to the previous editions of the Thar ROXX. The 360-degree camera display also helps in blind spot camera view. So that will be seen here in the speedometer cluster. So this is very useful in day-to-day ownership. And here is a look at the seat upholstery. Dark trim, contrast stitching, Thar branding, perforated leatherette seat upholstery combination, and you do have seat ventilation like I said. But as you can notice, manual adjustment for the seat, no powered seat over here in this Thar ROXX Star Edition. On the door trim, this is what you get. And of course, you will notice that the Harman Kardon sound system is still retained for this particular model. You do have engine start stop button and a plethora of controls over here to the right hand side of the steering column. You have the assist grip over here as well. So a pretty loaded vehicle, this Thar ROXX Star Edition SUV, and not missing out on all the latest creature comforts which the market expects. Here is a quick look at the dual pane panoramic sunroof. It throws a lot of light on the inside. So because of that, even though you have a dark colored seat upholstery, the cabin doesn't look and feel claustrophobic. You do have 3 proper headrests for occupants, and for the back seats you also have an AC vent, a Type-C charging point, and both the front seats have seat back pockets. You have that assist grip over here as well, and even on the rear door you have a storage bin, which is not really very practical but available nevertheless. This is the side step to get inside, side step, assist grip, and in you go in this Thar ROXX Star Edition. To open the tailgate, typical of the Thar ROXX, you first open this tailgate sideways. So ensure that you have enough space in your parking lot if you want to open up the boot, or you will have to move your car a little. Then you lift up this rear windscreen, and then this is the cargo carrying capacity that you get, and it's pretty decent. As you can notice, you do have a 60-40 split for the second row seat back. Charging point, speaker woofer setup over here in the boot, and everything else is pretty much standard. Then it's a very easy, push for this rear windscreen, and then simply just push this tailgate. It's locked and it's secured. So it is quite impressive that at this price point you are getting this Mahindra Thar ROXX Star Edition, and you are getting a petrol engine option, a diesel engine option, and also you have an automatic gearbox option available for you. It gets almost all the necessary creature comforts that you need. It doesn't get ADAS, it doesn't get powered seats, but I think you can live with that. Everything else that you need in day-to-day ownership, this Thar ROXX Star Edition is offering it to you, and this is a good value proposition. What do you think? Would you buy this particular variant? You can say that this is the second last from the top as a variant, and I think it does make sense. If you have any other questions, ask us in the comments below and we'll try our best to help you out. Till next time, always drive safe, always wear your seat belts, and follow those speed limits.